This is how you make wrapped cheese sticks. Today we're going to be using the dough, Classic Original by Feel Good Dough. So you first take a good amount of your Feel Good dough and you try to shape it into a rectangular shape. So there's enough room in the middle to put stuff in, like this. Then you take some cheese and dangle it in the middle and try to spread it out if you don't have enough room. Then you roll it up and make sure none of the sides are like this, so you close them up. And then if you want, you buy them, you'd sprinkle some cheese on the top, and there you go. That's how you make a wrapped cheese stick.